Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the 2-in-1 stair climbing cart, folding shopping cart with the wheels. So this is great for using for grocery shopping or laundry utility lightweight cart with a detachable waterproof canvas bag. So this one has a multifunctional purpose. You can use this for shopping, camping, climbing stair, and transportation. So the low capacity hold up to 110 pounds, and large capacity with the 32 liter. And this also has a built-in left and right hand side pocket. Anyway, I'd like to give it a shout out to Thomas from their marketing team for sending me this. And let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the instruction. And here are the wheels. It's a waterproof bag with a side pocket on both sides. Let's go ahead and put it on the wheels. So I'm going to insert this bar. So there are two of the pins right here. Need to take it out. Yeah, there's a metal. I need to punch it out of the way, so it's blocking it. There you go. And make sure you insert this pin through here. Oops. Gotta insert both of them. And then yank it open like that. Okay. Do the same thing on this side. And then the wheel, just insert on the side. Make sure you pull this out or push in. It's going to lock. There you go. And do the same on this side. Push in. So this is foldable. Then you lock it like that, stay in place. Unfold this. Now you can stand. Go ahead and insert the bag. And then there's this hard cardboard I'm going to put on the bottom of the bag. Alright, so you need to put the backing of the bag. There's an opening. You gotta slide through the back of the cart. And there's this Velcro right here. You can put it back here. And there's a zipper on the back here as well. Pretty big pocket. So I need to Velcro those two on the bottom. So to go down, you need to do it in this direction first.